Hello, my name is Mariah. This is my very first YouTube video. I run a small, sustainable, and ethical business. I make clothes, I use recycled materials, or I rework pieces that otherwise would have ended up in a landfill. This is my very first YouTube video, and I'm just going to be showing you guys how I make this custom corset. This was a custom order somebody on Depop bought for me, and I'm really excited to make this. This is my first custom order, so it's just super exciting to me, and they told me exactly what they want. They DM'd me and they let me know what fit they wanted. They let me know the material they wanted. They were super helpful and told me every little detail, which helps me a lot because then I can really I can make her exact vision, and she had a very specific vision she wanted. If you're interested in what making a custom order looks like, then just watch this video. This is the fabric she picked out. The camera isn't doing it justice, but it's a really pretty lilac, light purple satin fabric. So I just pinned everything together and I'm gonna sew that. I actually completely forgot that they didn't want straps, so I fixed that and I'm just going to get sewing. This is what I have right now, and I'm going to be doing a top stitch over it, and I'm going to add on the straps. As you can see, I added the straps, I installed grommets, I sewed the boning in, and I put satin ribbon to lace it up. I didn't film all of this because I got very busy and stressed out, and I honestly got distracted as well, and I ended up just not filming this part, but I'm going to be posting a lot more videos and tutorials, so check that out. Honestly, I had a lot of fun making this corset, and it's honestly one of my favorite corsets that I've made. I really hope she likes it. I'm about to send her a picture and then get it out for her tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, I don't even know if anyone is gonna watch this video. This is my very first video, but if anybody watched it, thank you so much, especially if you made it to the end. I'm going to be posting so much content here. So many sewing videos, how to run a small business, advice, how to grow, things I've learned, things that worked, things that didn't work, lots of tutorials, lots of videos, lots of day in my lives. I'm just going to be posting so much content on this channel, and if that's something that you're interested in, please subscribe. It will mean so much to me if you subscribe. Like, this is something I've been wanting to do for a while now, and I'm just super excited for this YouTube journey. Have an amazing day. Goodbye.